Alright guys, we got a good follow-up video for you. We previously did a video on the Harbor Freight Quinn set. It's going to be a half-inch drive, along with the adapter or wrench that they don't even offer for it. And you had to go through Astro Tools to pick it up. And Crom just came out with their setup. This is for the 3/8-inch drive. It's a 14-piece metric stubby set. And well, let's get into it. So they're going to be 6-point sockets. They're going to be an anodized aluminum tray, which we're going to check out here in just a little bit. On the back here, they kind of go into detail of, being a 22.5 low-profile design. That's going to be the millimeter depth. So short and compact, stamped, laser etched. We'll go over that here just a little bit. Made of chromoly. And then the outside is going to be a 17 millimeter outside hex. So we'll look at that as well. And here's your breakdown of sizes. You'll notice that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way through to 19, no skips. So great job on Crom. And Crom's a relatively new company, guys. I've done a couple videos on their little quarter-inch drive ratchets. Now with these sockets, I like what they're doing. They're bringing out actually full complete sets and not doing the skips, not playing any games that I've seen so far. So really good to work with. And if you have any problems, contact them at info@cromtool.com right there. And then, of course, made in Taiwan. Here's your item number, 21001. All right, so here we go. Here's the socket set. One side, you'll see all the laser etchings. Nice anodized aluminum tray. Got a way to hang it on the one end over here if you'd like. You also can separate it too if you need to change out these retainers. Looks like the clips themselves, ball detent style, so that's nice there. The plastic, those can break. You might find yourself swapping those out. But let's just check out one of these impact sockets here. 10 millimeter laser etched part number, individual part number, which is nice to see. Nice broaching, nice large center hole all the way straight through. Nice radius corners. Good amount of material around. I do like that they stepped these, because you don't want to have, especially in a 3/8 drive setup is like this, you don't want extra material. You want this to get in a tight location, so there's not a lot of stuff around it, right? You want to get it on there, hold tight, and not be precluded by anything out along the outside. So great idea there. So 10 mil. It does have the ring here. That's going to be for those ratchets. They have a spring clip that goes around the inside. That's uses for retention, so that's nice. And then this is the most important part. Guess what? It is stamped in there. 10 millimeter chromoly. These will eventually wear off. And lucky for this one, it's a little bit recessed. But when you get to these larger ones over here, that's going to be the highest point of the socket as you throw it on the ground. That's going to wear off. Yeah, they seem perfectly fine. I mean, much like any standard Taiwanese socket. Pretty decent wall thickness. Nothing overly grotesque that some manufacturers will do. And that does have the single pinhole on the side. It is quite large, so if you're going to look to put that on an extension, it's going to have a little bit of play. But no other detents inside there. I would like to see some additional detents, not just straight broaching all the way through. I'd like to be able to put it in there and still have it hold on slightly without popping off. And then if we throw it on a ratchet as well, much the same. There's some play. So all in all, a nice complete set. It would have been great if they topped it off, went up to like 21 mil or even 23, 24 mil. That would have been really nice, but I get that this is going to be the most popular for a 3/8-inch drive set. Now, there's the set. Now, how do you drive it? Well, that's what this guy's for. This is their 10.5-inch long, 12-point inside flex head stubby socket wrench. Now, what I like about this one is a 120-tooth mechanism. So 3-degree arc swing allows you, because you're already in a tight place, the finite amount of teeth and the 3-degree arc swing is going to make you much more efficient in those tight areas. So I like that a lot with this. And then they went chrome vanadium with the rest of the body and handle, which is very common. Part number on this one's going to be 51001, and then made in Taiwan. So far, everything I think from Crom has been made in Taiwan. So here is the Crom ratchet. Again, stamped, really nice stamping, good chrome work, 513001 there. You can remove the pin on the side. Decent enough size. There's the spring in the middle. So when you get your socket. You could drop it in either way, and this is only going to be one direction. So depending on what you have, I kind of wish they would have like laser etched in there or stamped would have been better. So you just know which direction the flow is going, because otherwise you got to test it out. So this is going to be in reverse mode to loosen, and then if you want to tighten, flip it over to the other side, and then clip it back on like so, and now it's ready to go that direction. And again, you can fold it up like this, really nice and bent, get a good 90-degree plus off of that direction, or even come up from above and go that direction as well. So good versatility. It feels fairly strong in the neck. I do like the slight teardrop to the handle. All steel. It seems to be pretty common with these types. Yeah, the fork looks good. Yeah, no complaints on that. And just again, really nice, thin profile. So that matches up really nice when you're kind of looking at the two. And judging by the design, I wouldn't be surprised if these are made in the same factory. So Astro and Crom, the two. You get your 1/2-inch drive. Now you got your 3/8 drive. All you need now is a 1/4 drive. Pricing wise, they're actually less than this set for the sockets. I want to say these ones are in the upper $30 range, like almost $40, not on sale. And then these ones are like, I want to say like around $37, mid $30 range. And this is even less, $32. And I think this one's like mid to, yeah, I mean, this one's actually kind of hard to get a hold of at times. I don't know if it is better now, but when I was hunting for it, it was like on back order and people couldn't get them. But I want to say this was, again, closer to $40 or more for that Astro. But definitely useful with this setup. I'd get that with this for sure. If not, just get the whole Astro set and get that as well. But when it comes to the Crom setup, Crom already has you covered. They're going to give you the ratchet and all the sockets. And throw them in your toolbox. You got everything you need to go for those really tight, confined spaces. All right, guys. As always, thank you for watching. And we'll talk to you soon.